Hello, this is Mr. Lorline with your Language Arts 7 weekly roundup from November 16th until November 20th. So we'll have a brief discussion on Monday about advertisements because we're going to go to the persuasive side and focus in on a little project on advertisements. So we'll watch a video and then also have a little worksheet on persuasive techniques because that is going to help us analyze the ads that we will be analyzing on Tuesday. We'll discuss those answers together on Tuesday to make sure everybody understands the different persuasive techniques, because on Wednesday they are going to start using those persuasive techniques in their own advertisement that they are going to create. So that will be the But Wait There's More worksheet where they will complete the graphic organizer. That would be our little activity, the But Wait There's More. On Thursday, they're going to continue with that and complete step 2 of the But Wait There's More. And then on Friday, they will finish that off by making sure that they have a developed argument, that they have compared to other claims, they use transition words, they refute opposing viewpoints, and then of course the last one is making a commercial/advertisement using the website Flipgrid, which we've used before. If they don't finish it, of course it'll be homework and it will be due by Monday. So that is your weekly roundup for this week for Language Arts 7.